ఆర్థిక బలహీన వర్గాల బిల్లుపై ప్రజల్ని కేంద్రం మోసగిస్తోందని తృణమూల్ కాంగ్రెస్ విమర్శించింది. రాజ్యసభలో జరిగిన చర్చలో టీఎంసీ ఎంపీ ఓబ్రియాన్ మాట్లాడారు. కేంద్రం తీరును దుయ్యబట్టారు.
Track record. It's an illness to make promises and not cover. They have names: Startup India, Digital India, Skill India, Stand Up India, Make in India. I hope next time they also come up with something in Hindi so we can all understand. But this new scheme is called Cheat India. This is called Cheat India. And if I say anything unparliamentary, throw it out. I've given you one reason why this Cheat India, this thing will not work. Now let's come to Cheat India Part 2. 2016, this is the program. Said, and I'm not getting into names, but most people have said it. Pradhan Mantri. Doubling farmers' income by 2022. This is Cheat India. Let me give you a little example of my state, because you haven't done anything for farmers. In my state, Bengal, under Mamata Banerjee Trinamool Congress, we made the same promise, sir. But we made it in 2011. We haven't doubled farmer income, sir, because it was 91,000 then. We have tripled farmer income. Tripled farmer income. Sir, now you come to Cheat India 3. Midnight television, not midnight, 8 p.m. on television. Cabinet was called in after it was recorded. We won't go into those details. Demonetization to curb black money. I don't want to go into anything more about demonetization because my leader Mamata Banerjee within 90 minutes slammed demonetization. I want to place on record today, if you really look at the history of the last 100 years, this may be the largest man-made disaster ever. And it's a man-made disaster, sir. Sir, come to Cheat India 4. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana promised housing for all by 2022. These are government figures, sir. 1 out of 5 houses have been done. 2022. Where we will be in 2022, we don't know. So let's come to Cheat India. What's the number? 5. Skill India mission. The government themselves did a survey. In that survey, 72% of India, Naujawan, who again you're trying to fool with this bill, but they won't get fooled, 72% had not even heard of Skill India. Sir, next, Cheat India. Jobs, 6. India lost 110 crore jobs. We all know now the great promise of 2 crore jobs and 15 lakhs. In fact, if you had put the 15 lakhs in, then you needn't have brought this bill also. To run nation with Nemo. They are being hired, so that's very good. If you don't get a job, at least you'll become a foot soldier of the government, of the party. Or you'll become a troll, you'll get some money. So they are hiring. Sir, my next one is number 7, Cheat India 7. After I make my point for Cheat India 7, I want to sit for 30 seconds because I want to yield. I hope somebody from the BJP interrupts me and says, done, and I'll sit down. But then I'll go to the other point. Sir, the point is, the Congress made this point about women's reservation. That is Cheat India. Because they called it Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, but the actual phrase which they forgot, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Beti Ko Roko. 2 examples with numbers. My party, Trinamool Congress, gave 35% of 2014 Lok Sabha seats, 35% to women candidates. The BJP gave 10%. Doesn't matter about how many you give, how many actually come to it. We don't need the reservation bill, Trinamool, because we've already implemented it. 35% of the 34 Trinamool MPs already in that House Lok Sabha are women MPs. 50% of local bodies, too. Local bodies in Bengal, 50% are already ladies. So now the elections are coming. The bill, someone said bring, yes, bring the bill. No response. So, okay. So,
continue, they will answer. Continue.
Sir, if you go to India, no. We do not give BJP, we do not give this government credit. But one thing they have done really well is marketing. Listen to this kind of marketing. Listen to this. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao is for 29 states. Total budget is somewhere between 600, 700 crores from the time it started. 700 crores, you divide it by the number of years, it will come to about 3-4 crores per state. Per state. Total 700 crores. My question would be, how many girls' lives have you touched with 700 crores, 4 crores per state? That's the cheating. Look at Kanyashree from Bengal, one state, sir. Our budget is not 100 crore, not 500 crore. Last 5 years, 5,500 crores. That is not cheat Bengal. That is the number 5,500 crores. 60 lakh girl child have been touched with that. Their lives have changed, and that's why the United Nations have given it the program of the year. Sir, these are the kind of realities. Sir, the Trinamool Congress is disgusted. We are angry that Parliament has been disrespected, completely disrespected, and this is the wrong method which has been used here. Sir, if that is the right method, then what is the wrong method? Let me tell you. On one fine winter morning in Delhi, someone gets an idea that chalo, constitution badalna hai. Kyun badalna hai? Some people have said the election results. Yeah, sure, the election results and how badly they did is one. There may be a second reason. Please look at all the opinion polls which are coming out now, sir. NDA 150 to 175. That is the reality. That is the reality. So, you bring this, which is a statement of intent, but this is no reservation in real terms. This is no reality, no jobs in real terms. It's a statement of our intent. So the statement of intent we'll all support. Sir, ये bill is a धोखा to the युवा, गरीबों को धोखा, आम आदमी को धोखा. But sir, parliamentarians, and we are not some members of a Gymkhana club in Ahmedabad. We are elected parliamentarians. 776 elected, 12 nominated in this house, 2 in that house, so 790. 776 people have sent us here. And yet, I want to ask this government, what are you doing to this institution of parliament? The track record of previous governments, 65 to 70% of bills have been sent for parliamentary scrutiny. This Gymkhana club, 20% have been sent for scrutiny. Sir, this bill is actually an acknowledgement of guilt. And what is that guilt? We haven't created jobs in the last 4.5 years. So, because coming soon is a coalition government that may have a common minimum program. Right now, we have a single party government with a confused maximum program. Thank you, sir.